Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a payment method to your Wix website. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am in my Wix dashboard, and I'm going to be going on from here to show you guys how you can actually do this. Now, what you need to do is go to this tab or this sort of area at the left, and you're going to go at the hover over the getting paid button. Now once you're here, as you can see, you have the option to connect and set up, and you're gonna click on that. When you're here, as you can see, you have this big blue button that says connect payment method, and you're gonna want to click on that. And as you can see, you have a couple of options. This one is completely new to me. This is the first time I'm seeing it, but I originally had PayPal and manual payments, and as you can see, you can also accept credit/debit cards with Wix. I'm pretty sure because I switched to a website that is an online store, so that might be why I'm getting this. And as you can see, it's recommended by Wix, but otherwise you can also get PayPal and manual. You can just click connect, and you can very easily just follow the instructions to connect it. I'll show you, for example, for this. As you can see, you need to list through this, then agree to connect to another provider. And if you sell any of the prohibited products of Wix, you do need to select that you to connect to another provider, or you can select no, I do not, then click continue. And as you can see, you can select which ones you would like to allow. So credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Afterpay, Affirm, Klarna, Tap to Pay on mobile, and Wix point of sale. And you can select whichever of these you would like, then click continue. And then I'm pretty sure you'll need to set up with your, well, call it whatever you want, your info. But as you can see, you need to upgrade to accept payments. So I do not have the premium version, so you do need to have the premium version to receive payments. But as you can see, that is pretty much how you can connect your payment method, and that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.